What is vitamin U? What are its benefits? What are the sources of vitamin U? Vitamin U is the main ingredient of Atomy Organic Cabbage Juice. So, to find out what are the benefits of Atomy Organic Cabbage Juice, why does Atomy make this cabbage juice product, we need to know what is vitamin U, which is the main ingredient of Atomy Organic Cabbage Juice. Vitamin U is not a vitamin in the classical sense, but rather a term used to describe the compound S-methyl methionine, SMM, or methylmethionine sulfonium. This compound was first discovered in cabbage juice and is known for its health benefits, especially in the digestive tract. What are the benefits of vitamin U? 1. Stomach health. Vitamin U is known for its ability to protect the stomach lining and help heal stomach ulcers and gastritis. Vitamin U helps reduce excessive production of stomach acid and repair damage to the stomach lining. 2. Anti-inflammatory. Vitamin U has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the digestive tract. 3. Detoxification. This compound helps the body detoxify by supporting liver function. 4. Skin health. Several studies have shown that vitamin U may help repair skin damage and reduce irritation. 5. Anti-cancer potential. Although still under research, vitamin U is thought to have anti-cancer properties due to its ability to protect body cells from oxidative damage. What are the top sources of vitamin U? 1. Cabbage. Cabbage is a top source of vitamin U, especially in the form of cabbage juice. Raw or lightly cooked cabbage contains high levels of S-methyl methionine. 2. Other cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, and kale also contain this compound, although in smaller amounts than cabbage. Cruciferous vegetables are a group of vegetables in the Brassicaceae family or formerly cruciferae. The name cruciferous comes from the shape of their flowers, which resemble a cross. Crucifer means cross-bearer. These vegetables are known for their high nutrient content, including vitamins, minerals, fiber, and bioactive compounds such as glucosinolates, which have significant health benefits. Examples of cruciferous vegetables include cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, kale, bok choy, turnips, turnip greens, arugula, watercress, mustard greens, rutabaga. 3. Lettuce. Lettuce, especially the green lettuce varieties, also contains vitamin U. 4. Seeds and legumes. Some seeds and legumes also contain vitamin U, although not as much as cruciferous vegetables. 5. Supplements. Vitamin U is also available in supplement form, especially those formulated for stomach and digestive health. Conclusion. Vitamin U, S-methyl methionine, is a compound that is particularly beneficial for stomach and digestive health. Its primary sources are cabbage and other cruciferous vegetables. While not an essential vitamin, it plays an important role in supporting overall health, especially for those experiencing digestive issues. So now we know why Atomy makes Atomy Organic Cabbage Juice. What are the benefits of Atomy Organic Cabbage Juice? This is because cabbage, especially in juice form, is a source of the most important compound vitamin U, which is very important for our digestive health. If you want to maintain a healthy digestive tract, it is very wise for you to choose Atomy Organic Cabbage Juice products. Why? Because the method of making juice using enzymes at low temperatures significantly increases the vitamin U content in Atomy Organic Cabbage Juice. The enzymatic juice method is able to break down cell walls so that nutrients are more easily absorbed by the body, and the low-temperature juice method will maintain the nutritional content in cabbage. In addition, Atomy Organic Cabbage Juice is a pure fruit and vegetable extract, without the addition of a single drop of water. By drinking Atomy Organic Cabbage Juice, you will find more nutritional content compared to juices with other methods, so that 1 pack of Atomy Organic Cabbage Juice is equivalent to 16 packs of cabbage juice made with the high-temperature juice method.